Welcome, students. Today we're learning about something called an input-output table. It's something you may have seen. These are also sometimes called a function table because they do a function. And input-output tables I like to think of almost as little machines. This is my favorite way to think about them. They're kind of cool. So let's say that we have a machine here, and let's say that the job of this machine is to divide things. Okay, so I put a little division symbol on this machine. Well, what we do is we give the machine a rule. Okay, it's like a robot, and it has to follow the rules that we give it. Let's say that the rule that we give it is divide by 3. I'm going to write that rule right here, divide by 3. Now what that means is that whatever I put into this machine is going to come out divided by 3. Let's give it a try and see what happens. Watch this. So I put a 9 into my machine. There's my 9. And I take my machine, my 9 rather, and I drop it in. Bloop. And when it's inside here, it gets rattled around and divides by 3. What is 9 divided by 3? Well, 9 divided by 3 is 3. Whatever goes into my machine gets divided by 3. Let's try with another example. What if I put the number 6 inside my machine? If I drop my 6 into the machine, it rattles around inside and gets divided by 3. What is 6 divided by 3? 6 divided by 3 equals 2. This isn't, so you input into the machine and it gives you an output. That's what that's called, an input-output table. So this is a machine. Now, we don't normally draw it like this. The way that you would normally see this would look like this. You would normally see a table like this divided into 2 columns with little rows like so. And you're going to see numbers in this column and this is the in. This is those are the numbers that go into the machine. So for example, and again our rule is divided by 3. So if I put a 21 into my machine, it drops in, rattles around, and is divided by 3. 21 divided by 3 is 7. So I'd write a 7 here. How about 18 divided by 3? What is 18 divided by 3? 18 divided by 3, rattles around, equals 6. So I would write a 6 in that column. 15 divided by 3 equals 5. 12 divided by 3 is 4. 9 divided by 3 is 3, and 6 divided by 3 is 2. We call this an input-output table. These are the numbers that go in, and these are the numbers that come out. We're going to do a little bit of practice with this week and next week. We'll have some examples here in iExcel. Here you see again, here's the rules divide by 1. So everything that goes into it is going to be divided by 1. So if you put 4 in, 4 divided by 1 equals 4. So you notice that there's a 4 in the output side as well. Let's give that a try. 4 divided by 1 is 4. 8 divided by 1 is 8. 10 divided by 1 is 10. Let's give that a try. There we go. All numbers divided by 1 are equal to themselves. So go ahead and work on this input-output table this week. We're going to do a little practice. Next week we'll try something a little more challenging, and can't wait to see your work on this. Have some fun.